Sanibonani bazalwane. Ngiyanamukela esiqephini sesikhombisa sale Bible discussion. This is a long anticipated episode. Nesikhathi phela ngagcina ukuba sikhulume ngeBhayibheli ngomlando wesizwe se-Israel. Uma ngikhumbula kahle, for those who are following this series, bazokhumbula ukuthi lo umfudumezo lo enginikeza wona manje ngachaza ukuthi why ngenza umfudumezo. Ngasho ngathi phambilini ngangakhoni ukugcina iqephu zami ukuthi kumele ukuthi mangabe sengenza isiqephu mhlawumbe seziwu-4 kumele ngidilithe ezinye ukuze ngikwazi ukufaka ezintsha. Indawo i-cloud space angiyisebenzisa engiphoqa ukuthi uma ngifuna ukuthi ngigcine ezinye kumele ngikhokhe more, like I have to pay the free fees ayaphela ngesikhathi esithile. So manje kuze-ke nalahlelwa engikwenzi la kumele ukuthi ngikudelete. So ukuze uFacebook nanto eyinkinga Facebook you cannot awazi ukuthumela i-voice clip there. Udinga i-video yakwazi ukuhlala engadeletheki. You can save video. I don't know why bengavumeli ukuthi usave noma uthumele i-video i-voice clip yakho. I-voice clip yakho uma ufuna uyithumela kumele ukuthi uqale uyisave kuma-online platforms. So i-platform engiyisebenzisa SoundCloud. That cloud space had a limited space, so ngamele ukuthi ngenze more. Even if ngabe ngenza kumele ngidelete okumbala, and isiqephu zami zinde kakhulu, and the space onikezwa sona sincane kakhulu. Not even space. Yeah, I think space. I'll say space because bakunikeza most udlule kuma-5 clips or 10 minutes, then but sophele space you have to buy the new one. So that ukuze ungazitholi-ke ukwenza into enjengaleyo, the best thing is to delete and then save again. So now-ke akungandi kakhulu bazalwane, ngichaza into ey'ningi. So YouTube is the one a platform that has given me a platform to save, even if sengifuna ukubuya back to engangekusho ekuqaleni. Ungaya nje egroupini yethu, then you peruse and then you find episode 1, and then uzobe sikuthatha-ke i-redirect straight to YouTube and you'll get that clip. So sinxesene ngezwi lami liyahodlozela but ngibanjwe yi-flu and sangibambile-ke sometimes ngizwa nje ngikhwehlela, but I had to do this. I had to because sekudala ngagcina ukuthumela something, so sengithi hayi-ke angingalindi kakhulu ba nesikhathi nasesikho, I don't have much time. Lezi ithuba nje ngilitholile elincane, so fanele ngisebenzise. Ake sibuyele emuva-ke, bengisagcina-ke sikhuluma ngenkosi indodana kaSolomon eyathatha iy'ntambo emva kukayise, nanokuthi kwenzakalani yona nkosi yokugcina isizwe sika-Israyeli sabumbene. Kwathi uma bekuphatha yona uxola lo msindo bakwethu ndlula ama-helicopter la, kwathi uma sekuphethe yona-ke hhayi-ke bantu bayehluleka ukulalela iziyalo ezinhle kubantu abadala. Yena yathatha ukuthi isentsha, yathi-ke cha, yona ayizowehlisa intela eyayikhokhwa abantu. Bagcina abantu bethi no, nathi nowethu umbuso singawenza, nawe hlala neJerusalema lakho lethina siyahamba. So now we are approaching a peak of history of Israel. Rehoboam uyenqaba ukwehlisa intela, bese kukhulumekile lokho. So umbuso wasenyakatho wona wakhetha uJeroboam. Yabonana after amagama adedana safunda, angazi ukuba khona abafunda i-religious studies. Sikhumbula sifunda uJeroboam noRehoboam, edide lo magama lawo. Angazi ukuthi amagama wathathiphi. That's why abantu becabanga ukuthi le indaba nje eziqanjwe ngabantu, akuzona i-real story lesi, uRehoboam, Jeroboam. So there's abantu abaningi nje abangakholelwa nje eBhayibhelini nje bakholwa uNkulunkulu actually. Mawukhuluma into nje bathi izinganekwane zonke lezi amagama eqhamukiphi. Okay, asiqhubekeni. So umbuso wasenyakatho wona wakhetha-ke uJeroboam. Khumbula uRehoboam noJeroboam. Bakhetha uJeroboam njengenkosi yabo. Wakha umuzi wawubiza ngeSamaria. Mhlawumbe nizokhumbula in the Bible an incident lapho waseSamaria wesifazane etshela uJesu ukuthi abantu abudlelwano namaJuda. Isikhathi uJesu ecela ukuphuziswa amanzi yilo wesimame waseSamaria. Lokho lo daba uthola ngoJohane 4 verse 7 to 31. During that time, Northern Kingdom was captured long time ago. Historians aqagula ukuthi umbuso wasenyakatho wabhujiswa ngo-721 BC before Christ. Kanti lesehlakalo sowesifazane eSamaria senzeka approximately ngabo AD, probably 20 AD, 25 AD or so, or 30 AD. Ngizothi-ke approximately ngoba uKristu wafa ngabo 33 AD. And as far as mobheka abalandi beBhayibheli uyabona ukuthi lesahlakalo abasibekile kude kakhulu nesikhathi lapho inkosi izobethelwa, but-ke iminyaka-ke ayibhalwa eBhayibhelini. So nje ama-historians ayaqagula njena noma aqagela ngisho njalo. Usho ukuthi-ke ngalezo khathi kwase sekwadlula iminyaka engu-733 kwafika amaSamaria ezweni lakwaSirayeli or Northern Kingdom. So I think bengifuna uku-explain la ukuthi lamaSamaria angabobani. Bengizochaza la ukuthi in fact the Assyrian king occupied the Israel land with other people from other country, making it difficult for Israelites to come back and live there again. In the Samaritans of the time engenabudlelwane namaJuda. So akusibonelo esinjena iSouth Africa sika Israel, Northern Kingdom. So angithi nathi ama-South Africans lesakhiwe inhlobonhlobo zabantu. Sikhona isinje khona amaZulu, amaZulu Ephraim, bekhona amaXhosa mhlambe as example mhlambe Dani, bekhona amavenda mhlambe Reuben. Isipheke example njengale. So ukuthi kufika besihlasele South Africa as it is examples as if Israel. So bayothatha thina amaXhosa thina amaZulu basisele mhlambe eZimbabwe, bese bethatha amavenda bayoyisele eMalawi. Siwonke lelo zolelo lama-continent la ngikhuluma ngawo, ama-countries engikhuluma ngawo angaphansi mhlambe kwalesizwe besihlasela, ngoba into abenza phela kade kukhumbule khaza kuqala kwathi makuliwa kwakuthi laba abathathe abawinile mabanqobile la amanye ama-countries babeza ama-provinces, they call them provinces. So babengabizi manje ukuthi sekuyiZimbabwe, bazobiza ukuthi i-province of isizwe esithile leso esinqobile. For example ama-Assyrians ayinqobe izizwe kakhulu. So mhlambe iDamascus babethi i-province of Assyria. Mhlambe bathathe elinye ilizwe futhi during those days, mhlambe iBabylon bayibize nge-province of Assyria. So I say izwe manje nangokwalo isiyi-province. That's how they do it. So nathi-ke nathi this is how they ngizamchaza ukuthi so ukususwa kwabantu ama-Israel beyiswa emazweni ama-province ama-Assyrians, bethatha abantu from those provinces or those countries bazobabeka la ezweni lama-Israel. For example, sithi njena bathi abantu le izwe lithile bazobabeka la ezweni lama-Israyeli, then base babeza ama-Samarians. But for sure vele ama-Samarians uma ubheka kahle kwakuyi-capital city yezwe abantu abayisrael behlala lapho izizwe eziyishumi. Akuningi sengikhulumile kulesi siqephu, bengisenza introduction nje ukuthi where do I come from. So akuningi ikhuluma nokuthi asiqhubeka kakhulu ngokusha, so sizoqhubeka lesinye isiqephu esilandelayo. Bengichazile ngathi it won't be more than 50 minutes wonke ama-clip wami, njengoba sengina 10 minutes 45 seconds ngiwusebenzile. So angiyibambelana-ke, let us catch up on this next episode 8. Ngiyabonga.